Do you want to know how to make this super exquisite brand handbag? Come with me and I'll teach you right away. Today I will use this small fragrance fabric to make. This is the front piece, and the width is 15. Length is 24 centimeters, outer fabric is 1 piece, lining fabric is 1 piece. I added hard lining here. This is the back cover. This width is 27.5 centimeters. Length is 24. Bottom cover. The width is 10 centimeters and the length is 49. Again, 1 piece each. 1 piece of washcloth and 1 piece of lining cloth. This is the lining pocket. The size can be customized by yourself. The strap length is 37, wide diameter is 2.5 centimeters. It's also lined here. First we fold the bottom of the bag in half to the center point. Make a mark with pen. The same goes for the washcloth. After making the mark, so we put the watch face to face with the base. Center relative to center point. Sew the sew here. Same thing on the other side. After the bag is closed, we turn it over to the front. After turning over the front, put it aside for backup. Next we'll do the inside. The inside and the watch are the same. We can add a pocket on the top first. Let's leave a flip here and sew. When the sew is ready, turn it out through the flip we left. After the pockets are ready, this part of us is the bag. The top is the bag cover. We go down 3 centimeters from the bag body. Sit on the mark. Sew machine come in like this from both sides. When the sew machine gets down to the end, the flip is directly sealed. After the pockets are done, put the lining on the bottom box. Leave a flip at the bottom of the rib box. Then put our washcloth face to face into the lining. The inner seam is aligned with the seam. This is the flap left at the bottom of the inside. Before the sew we fold the side of the bag in half. Get to the center point. Then fix the strap here. After the bag belt is ordered, the sew machine will come directly like this. Round sew. After the sew machine is ready, turn it out through the flap we left behind. Turn it over and turn over the one we left behind. Seal it. After sealing, we will tidy up the bag mouth. Then there is an open line on the car here. When the sew machine is in the bag, we will take off the expansion table. It's more convenient to operate. Take a look at this machine. Such a thick fabric can be easily passed. In addition to that, after it's done, we'll order a magnetic buckle here, and then we add a little decoration. Is that so? Our small fragrance style bag is ready. There's plenty of room inside, and I made a little inner pocket. Thanks for watching and don't forget like and subscribe.